Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix blink camera shooting in black and white. So if you are facing this type of error, then what you need to do is if your camera images, thumbnail, motion clips and the live view are not showing up in colors, then it is likely that you have set the infrared illuminators to the on settings in the night vision section of the camera settings. So the settings will look something like this. So when IR is set to on, the camera is in infrared mode and the resulting images will appear as black and white. So infrared detects heat, which is displayed as shades of white. So to have a color image, the camera requires light in the visible spectrum. So to have the color images when light is present and the infrared images when visible light is absent, set the camera IR intensity to auto in the camera settings as shown in this image. So this will fix your issue and you no longer be able to see the black and white screen in your blink camera. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.